Hello, hello! Today I'm going to show you how to open Photopea and get started with your landscape. So let's go. The first thing you're going to do is click the plus sign to open a new tab. Then type photopea.com. Enter. And that will bring you to Photopea. Remember, if you're working on this during class, your screen is going to take up half of your laptop screen so that you can have two windows open. To learn how to do that, watch video 2, how to create two windows. Alright, so once you are in Photopea, please take note that there is a menu bar at the top and a toolbar going down vertically. Every single item in the menu is a drop-down menu. So if I click and hold, it gives me all of my options. The same goes for the toolbar. If I click and hold down, there are options for each tool. So for example, the eyedropper is also a ruler. The gradient tool is also a paint bucket tool. Alright, so once you're in Photopea, you need to create a new file. So go to the menu and click File, New. Title it whatever it is you're working on. And today we're going to be working on the landscape. So I'm going to type landscape. And enter. Next, my units of measurements right now are pixels and I want them to be inches. So I have to click and drop down to inches. And then I need to orient it the way that I'd like. So if you think about a sheet of paper turned to the side, that would be 8.5 tall by 11 wide. I'm just going to switch this so that it's 18. So it'll be 18 wide by 10 inches tall. And your DPI should always be 300. That's your resolution, your dots per inch. And leave the background white. So this is my landscape, 18 by 10 and 300 and white. Then click Create. So there is the format for my landscape. If you wanted something different, for example, if you want it more square and less rectangular, then you would decrease the size of the width. So maybe I would go from 18 to 16 or 15. Now, once again, this is my menu bar. These are my tools. And then over here, I've got my background, which is white. And right now you can see that there's a lock here. I would like to unlock this so that I can manipulate the background layer. If I don't unlock it, I can't do anything to it. So the very first thing that I'm going to do is to add a sky to my background. And I don't want a solid color, I want a gradient in the blue range. So to do that, I need to select the gradient tool, which is right here. Like I said before, if you don't know what a tool is, if you hover over it, it tells you what it is. So if you're not sure, just put your cursor over it and it will tell you what it is. So I'm going to click on the gradient and then click over on my menu, my drop-down menu to select gradient. And my gradient is set for a mustard yellow to a deep greenish black, and I want to change that. So I have to double click, or click once, I'm sorry, in the gradient editor. And I have two slider bars on the bottom of my gradient editor. I'm going to click the first one and then go to my color picker. And I would like to go to this blue range here. So I'm going to go from like a brighter blue to a pale blue-gray. So this is the first color I'm selecting, so I want to click OK. Then I'm going to click my second slider, click the color picker, and go back to that blue range, and now I'm clicking more, selecting a bluish gray. Like that. Click OK. So that's my gradient range. I'm going to select OK, and then I click and drag across to apply the gradient. I can also go the opposite direction, and that's what I want right there. So that is how you open up Photopea and create a gradient color in your background. Thanks for watching.